Hey guys, James Spartan here. Today we're gonna play some Roblox, Natural Survival Disaster. I haven't played Roblox for a while. This is my first video, so if you want, can we get 15,000 likes on the first video? I think that's pretty good sound, guys. Yeah. Sorry, I got no game audio today. My turtle beaches and my Intel HD haven't been working correctly, so I can't, get the game sound. But we're gonna play like 3 games here, 3 different disasters. It'll be really fun, I hope. Yeah, well, nothing's really happening yet, but... what's that? Meteor shower! Watch the skies fall! Guys, you're a fuck up guys, holy shit. Guys, Mom. I haven't told my mom about this YouTube channel, so I think I'll tell her when I hit 1 million subs. Okay, yeah. Guys, this is really scary. Oh my god, oh, Paco, oh, did you see, oh my god, Mom, help me,